Find addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of any two integer in C. We know that integer set is denoted by this symbol, and it contains the numbers 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on, okay, up to now we addition of any two integers. If a and b are integers, then their addition, subtraction, multiplication is also an integer here. But in C, if a and b are integer, and if we divide a by b, for example, say here if we divide say 6 by 4, then answer will be 1, not 1 point say 1.5, 1.5, because since in C a and b are integer, here it is 1.5. so what is integral part? It is what? 1. So if we divide 6 by 4, then it is what? 1. Again, if we take one more example, say here 5 by 2, then it is equal to 2 if a and b are integers, okay, are integers. So not 2.5, instead of 2.5 it is answer is what? 2. Now we are going to determine if a and b are any two integers, we are going to determine its addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of any two integer in C. We here first include stdio.h, include, see here conio.h, while main, okay. Now we want to declare integer, say x, then y for sum, then for addition we use say here add, or addition. For subtraction we use subtraction sub variable, for multiplication we use mult multiplication, for division we use the variable division, okay. You can also determine modulus, that is remainder. If we divide any two integers, then what is the remainder? Here you can use here mod variable for remainder. Now want to clear screen previous output, so by using keyword clr scr, then printf enter your first number, then we say it is scanf %d and x. Similarly, we want to enter printf enter second, enter your second number, enter your second in number, then we want to enter the second number by using keyword scanf, say scanf %d and y. Next, now first we want to determine addition, so here add is equal to x plus y, and now we want to print addition here, so print f addition is equal to %d, say here %d add, and finally we want to print the output by using getch and close main function. So if we compile here, two error, printf, yep is missing, one error here, statement missing semicolon, here again once this statement missing semicolon. Now if we run here, enter your first number say 3, second number is 5 and addition is equal to what, 8. Now next want to determine what is the subtraction of these two numbers. So we use the variable sub is equal to x minus y and printf subtraction is equal to %d sub, variable sub. Now here again if we compile, 0 error, and if we run, enter your first number say 3, second number is 7, then addition is 10 and subtraction is -4. We want to use the new line here, subtraction, new line. Now if we run again say 3 and 7, then you will get here addition is 10 and subtraction is equal to -4. Now next we want to determine multiplication. So here we use the variable mult is equal to x into y, again printf multiplication is equal to %d mult bracket completed semicolon. Okay, now if we compile this, 0 error, and again we want to use your new line, want to print multiplication on new line. So now if we run here say 3, say 8, then addition is 11, subtraction is -5 and multiplication is what, 24. Now next we want to determine division. We use here a variable division, div for division is equal to a divided by b, and printf division is equal to %d div bracket completed. Again if we compile here, 2 error, undefined, sorry, not a, it is what we use x and y. For any two integer we use x and y. Now 0 error. Now if you run here, say first number say 5, second number say 2. Now here the addition is 7, addition will be 7, subtraction is 3, multiplication is 10 and division will be 2, not 2.5. Now you can see here division is what, 2. Want to use your new line, so say here 5 and 2. If we divide 5 by 2, then division is what, 2. Instead of 2.5 it is what, 2. Why? Because a, x and y are integers. Now next we want to determine what will be, now next we want to determine what is the remainder if we divide any two integers. Okay, now we use the modulus sign here. So mod is equal to, say mod is equal to x %y. Okay, and we can printf remainder is equal to remainder is always an integer number again. So if x if y is a if x is divisible by y, then in that case remainder is 0. Okay, so %d and mod. Now again we want to use your new line. So if we compile, one error. Okay, here one mod. Now if you compile here, 0 error. Now if you run, now enter your first number, say 5, second number is 2. Now here addition is 5 plus 2 is 7, subtraction is 5 minus 2, 3, multiplication is 10, division is 5 divided by 2 is 2 only, because x and y are integers. And if we determine remainder here using modulo sign, then if we divide 5 by 2, then remainder is 1. So you can see here addition is 7, subtraction is 3, multiplication is 10, division is 2, and remainder is equal to what? 1. One more time, if we run here, say, now here if we enter, say, let's say here 14 by 3, say 3, then here you can see here addition is 17, subtraction is again spelling is missing, sub, subtraction is 11, multiplication is 42, division is what? If we divide 3 by 14, that is not 4 points something, it is only, it is x and y are integers, so it is division is only 4, and remainder is equal to what? 2. Here subtraction, I want to use subtraction. Now if it is a proper device, if x is divisible by y, in that case, that is if y divides x, then in that case, say here 15 and 5, then in that case what, addition is 20, subtraction is 10, multiplication is 75, division is 3, and remainder is equal to what? 0. So hope you understand this addition, multiplication and division, multiplication and remainder by using in C for any two integer.